healthy foods for you and me.
Carrots are crunchy, they help you see. Good for your eyes, as bright as can be.
Apples are sweet and juicy too. They keep you strong and full of boo.
Spinach is leafy and full of might. It makes you strong and keeps you bright.
Bananas are yellow, a snack that's neat. They give you energy so you're quick on your feet.
Broccoli is green like little trees. It keeps you healthy and full of ease.
Berries are tiny but packed with power. They help your brain hour by hour.
Yogurt is creamy, a treat that's fun.
It's good for your tummy when the day's begun. Oats in the morning, warm and nice. They give you strength and a little spice.
Oranges are orange, so full of zest.
They help you stay healthy and do your best. Nuts are crunchy, full of good fat. They keep your heart happy, how about that?
Eat these foods both night and day to grow big and strong.